Hi everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I'll disassemble the iPhone 12 mini and together we will see what inside the smartphone. In the description under the video I'll add links to disassembly of all iPhone 12 models. This video is for overview purpose and doesn't include assembly process. If you need complete instruction with reverse assembly, in the description you will find links to all playlists with step-by-step instructions on how to repair iPhone 12 mini. What tools need to disassemble iPhone 12 mini? Screwdriver set, tweezers, plastic mediator, plastic tool, and section cap for removing display. In the description I'll add link to all necessary tools. The iPhone 12 mini disassembly process doesn't differ from previous models. Still need to remove two screws near charging port using 0.8mm pentalobe screwdriver. To open the case, it is enough to warm up the display surface even with ordinary hair dryer for 3 minutes and temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. The case of iPhone 12 mini is glued well enough and you have to pull hard on the section cap ring. But as you can see, it is really possible to open iPhone 12 mini even with a regular hair dryer. The case of iPhone 12 mini opens like a book, that is, turn the display to the left. If compared to the previous generations, this display model looks very thin. The camera model of iPhone 12 mini is completely the same on the iPhone 12. The technical specifications and size of the module are the same. Now the bottom speaker is not glued to the case and replacement process is much easier. And the speaker case is smaller than on the iPhone 12. And therefore the sound will be slightly quieter. There are also differences when comparing the Taptic engine of iPhone 12 mini with the dimensions of module in iPhone 12. The Face ID model is the same as before, also has infrared camera, dot projector and front camera. On the iPhone 12 mini, battery is smaller than iPhone 12. The battery capacity is 22-27 mAh, and compare it to the iPhone 12, the battery life on iPhone mini is 70% shorter. This cable is connected to the back of the motherboard, and if you peel off this protective film, you can see that this cable is soldered to the board. You can find this cable on all iPhone 12 motherboard, but only for US market. iPhone 12 for Asian and European market doesn't have such a ribbon cable on the motherboard. So why this cable here? This ribbon cable directly connects to the motherboard to the 5G millimeter wave antenna module. In the iPhone 12 mini model A2176 for the US market, the 5G mmWave antenna module is built into the side of the smartphone back housing. On the outside of the back housing, this matte area under the power button, this is window for 5G mmWave antenna. Another antenna module is located on the back of the motherboard. What it does all mean? All iPhone 12 models supports 5G, and this 5G mmWave module in iPhone 12 for US market gives an additional two bands, N260 and N261. So this mmWave is a set of 5G frequencies that gives ultra-fast speed at short distances, making it best suited for dense urban areas. Now light sensors are located on the separate cable. The ribbon cable with a diode is very easy to remove, and if the diode is damaged, it can be easily replaced. Let's see what's left on the back housing. In the lower part, cable with a lighting connector, in the upper part, antennas. In the middle of the case there is a wireless charging module, and now it has magnetic ring. The magnets are located along the edge of the wireless charging coil. There are 18 small neodymium magnets glued here, and they hold well. So guys, no more surprises here. iPhone 12 mini teardown is complete. In the description I left links to all instructions for all iPhone 12 models. You were on How-FixIT, and see you next time.